Hey guys, today I'm going to make some spaghetti and burgers in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I've got some fresh pre-made burger patties here. These were 10 for $12, so I used half of them, so there's 5 left in there. These are 80% lean, 20% fat. So I'm going to use these to make my spaghetti instead of meatballs. So I'm just going to put them in the bottom of my crock pot here. So that's a pound of ground beef there. I'm going to season this with some kosher salt and some onion powder. And I'm going to add this 45 ounce jar of pasta sauce. And we get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll add some angel hair pasta when it's done. It's been about 2 hours. I have half a package of angel hair pasta here. It's about a 1 pound package. Anyway, let's open this up and see what it looks like. Alright, this meat ought to be cooked. Let me see. Let me pull up a patty here. Oh yeah, look how much those shrunk up. A lot smaller than they were. Get one over there. Okay, I'm gonna add, okay, cat's trying to get into the video here. Of course. Alright, I'm just gonna add, what I'm gonna do is take this pasta. The cat's gonna supervise, I guess. Honey the cat there. I'm gonna break this up into like about thirds and just stir all this in here. Okay, I put half that package of pasta in there, so it's about a half a pound of angel hair pasta spaghetti, and I kind of get all that stirred in best I can, and I'll just get the lid back on there until it's soft. So a few more minutes here. That's Honey the cat. You can see her. I guess she's going to supervise. Make sure the pasta's cooked right. This has been in there about 15 or 20 minutes. Let's see how we're doing here. I think that pasta looks good. What I think I'm going to do is get it all out of the pot and put it in a bowl, because that pot holds the heat so long that if I leave it sitting in there, all that pasta is going to get mushy. So I'm just going to get it all out of there and then we'll try it out. Put some in a bowl and put a burger on top. I need some Parmesan cheese here. I like Parmesan cheese. Put a lot of Parmesan cheese on there. Alright, let's see how it is here. Pasta looks like it's cooked pretty decent. Get a bite with some ground beef there and try it out. Well, that came out pretty decent, and you can't get much easier than that. Annie's dancing around over here. I guess I better let her try it out. Here you go, Annie. Looks like it's Annie approved. Well, that worked out well. Kind of like spaghetti and meatballs, but you don't have to make the meatballs. Kind of a lazy man's way. You can probably use frozen burgers for that too, but cooking time might be just a little bit longer. So if you got, patties and the pasta sauce and the pasta, 3 ingredients, pretty simple. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.